Alright, so I'm going to send you somewhere, right? If you're ever in Jamaica, right? If you're ever in Jamaica and you're ever in Manchester, or you feel like you want to go off the beaten path and go for some real authentic Jamaican food, right? I'm going to send you to a place called Maroon Kitchen, right? Maroon Kitchen. They do catering services, weddings, parties, and much, much more. The phone number, 878-6695, right? And email Mr. Seretse Campbell. Mr. Seretse Campbell, let me tell you about this brother here. This brother is starting his own restaurant, right? But not only is he starting his own restaurant, he has cooked on Jamaican television before, right? Award-winning chef, and also highly educated. This is a lecturer at the University of the West Indies, right? This is a bona fide brethren from where picnic talk about flingstone and bust each other head on them thing there, right? So Maroon Kitchen, go check it out if you're ever in Jamaica, and when you do, tell him say SouFLo sent you. And if you don't know who is SouFLo, just pull out your phone and pull me up. He's gonna call you. He's gonna call me another name. If you do go and you check him out, that other name that he calls me, I want you to come tell me what that name is. That's how I'm gonna know that you actually went to Maroon Kitchen. Alright, so here's a chance for you to go off the beaten path in Jamaica. I'm gonna leave this flyer up here of Maroon Kitchen with all the information that's needed, opening hours, contact numbers, and also pictures of the food that you will be receiving. Yes, the food looks just like this. Remember, I told you before, this is a brother that is a award-winning chef, right? So expect the food to look exactly like this. You know, some people do them food already. Them take picture from somebody else's restaurant and put it on their flyer. Not in this case. This is one that I can vouch for. And when and if you ever go there, I want you to actually comment to me about the food. I know so the food are good already. I don't even have to ask you. But I'm sure that you will have something to say about the food. Now pay attention and win your 200 bucks. Don't forget the name that he knows me as, the name I know him as from childhood, and a picture of the place. Alright? SouFLoTV, man. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Peace.